Good morning, children. Today I am going to start from Political Life, Chapter 4, Understanding Laws. So, it is the new lesson from the political life. In political life, in previous class, you have learned about the parliament. In a parliament, what the members of the parliament they are doing, how they are making the rules and regulations also. So the parliament, what are the laws it is making? Especially what the constitution is providing the laws for the citizens also. So let us discuss about the political life chapter 4 understanding of the laws. You may be familiar with some laws such as those that specify the age of marriage, the age at which a person can vote, and perhaps even the laws dealing with buying and selling of property. If you know some of the rules and regulations, the age of the marriage. At the age of the marriage means above 18 years only, the child should get the marriage. Even to right to vote also above 18 years. And buying and selling, the dealing of the rules and regulations, they should know it. We know that the parliament is in charge of the making laws. All these laws are making by the parliament only. Do these laws apply to everyone? So whatever laws are preparing or making by the parliament, it is applicable to all, or how do new laws come into being? Could there be a laws that are unpopular or controversial? What should we as citizens do under such circumstances? So when they are making the rules and regulations, and also that how they are going to provide the laws. Do laws apply to all? If you are reading the following situation, and we can answer also. A government official helps his son go into the hiding because his son has been given a 10-year jailed sentence by a district court for a crime that he has committed. Do you think the government officials' actions were right? Should his son be accepted from the law just because his father is economically and politically powerful? So, the following of the situation, how the person, how the people are important before the laws. The above is a clear case of violation of the law. So his son was not followed the law. The person, those who are not following the law, it is a rule for the person to keep in a jail also, as you read in the unit 1. Members of the Constituent Assembly were agreed there should be no arbitrary exercise of power in independent India. There is no indifference between whether the person is rich or poor, whether any person also, if the person is crossing the laws, they have to get the punishment also. They therefore instituted several provisions in the constitution that would establish the rule of the law. Rule of law, the most important of the law, these was that all persons in independent India are equal before the law. So if the person is having the more money, or if the person is poor also, the constitution rules and regulations, the constitution was established the rule of law. Each and every person, the person belongs to independent India, all are equal before the law. The law cannot discriminate between a persons on the basis of their religion, caste or gender. So there is no discrimination in between, in front of the rules and regulations, whether religion or the caste or the male or female also, there is no. If the person is crossing the law, if the person is not following the rules and regulations, there will be a punishment also. What the rule of law means is that all laws apply equal to all citizens of the country, and no one can be above the law. Even the person, even MLAs or MPs or the person, whoever it may be, neither a government official nor a wealthy person nor even president of the country is above the law. Even president of the country also should follow the rules and regulations also. Any crime or violation of the law has specific punishment as well as a person through which the guilt of the person has to be established. But was it always like this only? So, the independent India, even the president also equal comparing to the ordinary people, all are equal before the law also. So children, let us continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.